guys? Hope you're having an amazing week. We just got some products back in stock on the website. The beads are back in stock, the hammer and the bomber. That is lasered on both sides. I had some questions about that. And I have one more carbon fiber pin and a couple more of the wood body pins. Let me show them to you real quick. So the beads are 0.3-inch titanium, grade 5. They're gonna come with a stainless key ring. So you got the bomber and then the hammer. And then I have a couple of these bad boys left. They got stainless bodies with a 3D printed wood. Pretty awesome. Or they're stainless parts with 3D printed wood body. And then I have one more carbon fiber pin left, guys. So solid carbon fiber tube, stainless body. Pretty awesome. And I have a couple more of these juniors in that OG camo. Go check them out, guys.